Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics ready, Edge updated, and you signed in. Once done, open Edge, click the three-dot menu, then Extensions. You'll see the Extensions pane. Make sure developer mode is off unless you sideload. Now click Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge to browse the store. If you already have a CRX from a trusted source, use Extensions Load Unpacked after enabling developer mode. These steps get you from zero to choosing an extension quickly and securely. You'll install and configure the extension next. Find it in the add-on store and click Get, then Add Extension. Edge will show permissions, read them and accept if they match your needs. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access. Open its options from the Extensions page to set preferences like site access, shortcuts, or syncing. Make sure to set permissions only for sites you trust, and test the feature on a single page. To confirm behavior, finish by testing the extension on the pages where you'll use it. Verify features, sign-ins, or shortcuts work as expected. Once satisfied, leave it pinned and tidy up permissions and manage. If something breaks, first disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, then check for updates. Reinstall if needed. If it still fails, clear Edge cache and restart the browser. That troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or loading conflicts quickly, so you can get back to productivity without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.